Any of you who have thrown a pebble or a stone on the surface of a lake have certainly noted that that stone acts as a center point, as a pivot, and sends out ripples to the area all around it, to the area surrounding it. The reflection for today, therefore, is we need to identify that good habit which will act as the center, as the key point, as the pivot, or as Charles Duhigg said, as the keystone habit. That one good habit which acts as the keystone or the pivotal habit, which will send ripples around to all the other habits that we are trying to deal with. To give you an example, if we decide to exercise or work out and make that as the central, the pivotal, the keystone habit for the year 20, then that one habit will certainly send a ripple effect and will percolate down into many other habits that we are trying to deal with. If we decide to work out as a regular thing and that becomes our habit, you would see automatically we would have to look at our diet. What are we going to eat in terms of nutrition? How many times are we going to eat? When are we going to eat? All of these dietary aspects and habits related to our dietary aspects also slowly start getting controlled and tied up with that keystone, that central habit. Automatically we would have to look at our rest and our sleep. If we are working out hard, whatever that exercise or workout may be, but if we are doing it hard, we would need to have a certain amount of rest. So automatically the quality of our sleep, the duration of our sleep, the timing of our sleep habits will come under control by being connected to that central habit. We will start developing consistency and discipline. So as soon as we make a good habit as the center or the keystone and identify how that will affect our other areas, we will see how many other negative things that we are dealing with can also start falling in place.